We'll bring you straight home!
What does another two out of line mean? Watch the video to know the answer. Hi, I'm Ellen. In this video, we are going to talk about another, other, the other with Harry Potter clips and some TOEFL questions to be discussed. Let's start. First, let's talk about another. So another can mean one more, extra, additional, or alternative. Example, this pen ran out of ink. Please give me another pen. So look at here, another plus singular noun. Another always followed by singular noun. Or you can say it like this. This pen ran out of ink. Please give me another one. So we can change the word pen with one. Another one means another pen. Or if you want to make it shorter, make another as a pronoun. So you don't need to put noun after this word. This pen ran out of ink. Please give me another. Full stop. Okay, so you don't need to put noun here. Now let's watch a clip from Harry Potter.
Ha! Another Weasley. I know just what to do with you. Gryffindor!
Why did the Sorting Hat say another Weasley? So, ceritanya Ron Weasley itu punya banyak saudara. There are 4 brothers who went to Hogwarts before him. Makanya si Topi bilang, oh I meet another Weasley. One more Weasley. Okay ya, so another di sini means one more. I meet Weasley again. Itu kira-kira maksudnya. Let's continue with more examples of another. This dress doesn't suit me. Do you have another? So another di sini maksudnya minta alternatif yang lainnya lagi. Ada yang lainnya lagi nggak? Okay, so you ask, do you have another? One more alternative. Next, I changed my mind. I want to stay for another week here. Another week. 1 minggu lagi. So here it means an additional. Next, you look sleepy. Would you like to have another cup of coffee? Sama ya, di sini maksudnya juga additional. Kamu masih kelihatan ngantuk. Mau secangkir kopi lagi nggak? Okay. Another cup of coffee. Jadi boleh ya pakai uncountable coffee, tapi kan di sini sudah ada determinernya cup of coffee. Jadi boleh itu termasuk singular. Cup of coffee, another cup of coffee. Now, let's watch another clip, still with Ron Weasley.
It's entirely your fault! If you put another toe out of line, we'll bring you straight home!
Did you notice the word another in the clip? Jadi ceritanya si Ron ini got a howler from his mother. A howler is a magical letter. Instead of reading the letter will speak to us in the writer's voice. Dalam howler itu, his mother said, if you put another toe out of line. Ini dari idiom toe the line. The meaning is obey the rule. So, toe out of line means break the rule. If you put another two out of line means if you break the rule once again. So another here means an extra or additional. Okay? Next, we talk about other. Now, let's talk about other. When to use other or others? Jadi maknanya other atau others itu adalah different kinds of, jenis yang lain, alternatif yang lain, tambahan atau ekstra yang lain. Contohnya, this shirt is too small. Do you have other sizes? Look at here, other plus plural noun, sizes, other sizes. Punya ukuran yang lain nggak? So you ask for alternative, not just one but more than one alternatives. Other sizes. Next, I still have other homework to do tonight. Other homework. Aku masih punya PR yang lain. So homework here is uncountable. Jadi other juga bisa dipakai untuk uncountable noun. Next, I don't like this color. Please show me others. Nah, di sini others sebagai pronoun. Jadi tidak perlu dikasih kata benda setelahnya. Please show me others. Di sini maksudnya others itu apa? Other colors. Oke ya. Jadi kalau di belakangnya ada kata benda, other sizes. S-nya ada di kata bendanya. Tapi kalau pronoun, ya cuma others. Kata bendanya tidak usah disebutkan. The last one. This doll is fluffy, but her other doll is scary. Coba lihat di sini. Her other doll. Doll itu boneka tunggal di sini. Her other doll. Boleh other dengan yang singular, boleh tapi dengan ketentuan ada determiner sebelum other. Di sini apa determinernya? Her. Her other doll. Contoh yang lain, our other son. Itu juga bisa. Oke. Nah, ini nyambung ke materi yang selanjutnya, the other. The other means the second choice, the opposite or the one remaining. Gampangnya, the other artinya yang satunya atau sisa satunya. The other hanya bisa dipakai untuk konteks yang jelas atau benda yang dimaksud sudah jelas. Contoh, his right hand is bringing a flower bouquet and the other hand is hiding a ring. Di sini sudah jelas konteksnya. Tangan ada dua, yang kanan memegang buket. Nah, kita bisa gunakan the other hand untuk mengganti kata left hand. Kenapa? Karena konteks sudah jelas. Kalau yang satunya berarti ya tangan kiri. Nah, di sini saya beri contoh the other plus singular noun. The other hand. Contoh lain. During the game, don't let the other team controls the ball. Dalam pertandingan, misalnya basketball, ada dua tim. Nah, kalau kita bilang the other team, maka maksudnya adalah tim lawan, bukan tim-tim yang lain, karena konteks sudah jelas. The other team. Next example. There are 3 types of rooms available. For big groups, we have family suite and deluxe. The other one is single room. Nah, di sini the other maknanya sisa yang satunya dari 3 jenis. Di sini kita bisa lihat kalau the other bisa diikuti one. The other one mengacu pada the other room. The last example. There are 2 boxes of pizza. One is spicy and the other is not. Di sini the other sebagai pronoun, jadi tidak perlu kata benda setelahnya. The other is not, maksudnya apa? The other pizza, pizza yang satunya dari 2 pizza yang ada.
Grasp your mandrake firmly. You pull it sharply out of the pot. Got it? And now you dunk it down into the other pot and pour a little sprinkling of soil to keep him warm.
Jadi, mandrake ini adalah salah satu tanaman ajaib yang ada di film Harry Potter ya. So, mandrake potting. Potting ini adalah aktivitas memindahkan tanaman dari satu pot ke pot yang lain supaya tanamannya bisa tumbuh lebih besar. Tuh ya, biar space-nya lebih besar. So, there is a sentence, pull it sharply out of the pot. Out of the pot di sini maksudnya dari pot satu, and then you chunk it down into the other pot, ke pot yang lain. Kenapa si profesor menggunakan the other pot? Karena dia sudah menyediakan pot yang kosong. Sementara yang dia pegang adalah pot yang ada tanaman mandrake tadi. Makanya dia bilang into the other pot, bukan another pot. Kenapa? Karena sudah jelas konteksnya di situ ada 2 pot. Yang satu ada isi mandrake, yang satu empty pot. Makanya dia bilang chunk it down into the other pot. Pindah ke pot yang satunya. Oke ya, the other pot. The other means remaining. Karena ada 2 pot, maka pot yang satunya. Oke, chunk it down itu maksudnya mencelupkan. Jadi kalau chunk it down itu seperti kalau kita makan roti, dicelupkan ke susu atau teh, we can say, I chunk the bread into my tea. Gitu. Oke ya. Nah, kalau the others means the remaining people or things of a group. Sisanya dari sekumpulan benda atau orang. Sama seperti the other ya, the others ini konteksnya jelas. Benda atau orang mana yang dimaksud. Bedanya, the others berarti sisanya lebih dari satu, or plural. Example, the professor asked to write 5 essays. I have submitted 3 of them, but I'm still doing the other essays. The other essays ini mengacu pada sisa essay yang diminta profesor. Sisa berapa? 2, plural, maka pakai the others. Kalau misalnya yang belum dikerjakan tinggal 1 essay gimana? We say, I'm still doing the other essay. Jelas ya bedanya? Next. I need to upload 3 videos. The first video has been aired, while the other ones are still in process. The other ones di sini mengacu pada the other videos. Jadi, bisa ya the other diikuti ones. Kalau sisanya memang jamak atau plural. Last example. These 3 documents are important. You'll keep one and I'll have the others. The others di sini maksudnya adalah sisa dokumen pentingnya tadi. Sisa berapa? 2, plural. So I say, I'll have the others. Nah, the others yang ini sebagai pronoun, tidak perlu diikuti kata benda setelahnya. Okay? Now, watch the next clip so you'll get more understanding about the context. Kapan the others bisa dipakai. Here is the clip. In this scene, Harry's friends are drinking Polyjuice potion, so this potion can change our appearance to be look like someone else, in this case like Harry Potter. So we can say, one is the real Harry Potter, while the others are fake. Kenapa bisa pakai the others? Karena maknanya the remaining of a set or a group. Sisanya. Karena jamak kita pakai the others, atau kita bisa bilang the other Harrys are fake. Let's summarize the lesson. Another plus singular noun. Other plus plural atau uncountable noun bisa. The other semuanya bisa. Singular, plural, atau uncountable. Another, others, the other, atau the others tidak perlu diikuti kata benda jika berfungsi sebagai pronoun. Now, I have a quiz to test your understanding about this topic. I have 6 questions, and these are the options A, B, C, or D. Okay, number 1. I need more space for my kids. Do you have blah 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 family suite room available? Lihat di sini ada kata family suite room. Singular noun. Maka yang kita butuhkan adalah A, another family suite room. Number 2. Some music can make us relax, but blah 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 music can encourage us to move faster. Ada kata music. Noun, countable or uncountable? Music is uncountable. So here we need to put B, other. Number 3. The photos on the table are scattered. I have arranged some of them. Could you take care of blah blah blah? Di sini kita butuh apa kira-kira? Yang D, the others. Kenapa? Karena sudah jelas konteksnya ada foto yang bertebaran di meja. I have arranged some. Sisanya, sisanya dari satu grup. So the answer is D, the others. Number 4. They are twins. One is Leah and blah 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 is Leo. The answer is C, the other. Kenapa? Sisanya. Yang satunya. Karena konteksnya kembar sepasang. So the answer is the other. Number 5. You can park on blah 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 side of the road. This side is only for the food stalls. The answer is C, the other. Kenapa? Kita bahasnya side of the road. Sisi jalan pasti cuma left and right. Sisi yang ini buat food stalls. Jadi kalau parkir di the other side. Sisi yang satunya. Okay. Next. Do you still have blah 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 document to copy? If not, I will have the machine on my own. Di sini kita perlu apa? A or B? Ada kata document. Singular noun. Maka jawabannya yang another. Jadi di sini maksudnya ada dokumen lagi nggak yang mau di-copy? Kalau nggak, aku mau pakai mesinnya. Gitu ya. Done with the quiz. Now finally we come to TOEFL time. The question type is error recognition, so you need to find the error. First question. Some of the plants in this store require very little care, but this one needs much more sunlight than the others ones. Oke ya, di sini ada kata ones, ada others. Salah, nggak boleh double. Kalau ada ones, maka other-nya tidak perlu diberi s. The other ones. Next, Daniel said that if he had to do another homework tonight, he would not be able to attend the concert. Di sini ada kata another homework. Nah, di sini homework adalah uncountable noun, so we cannot put another. Harusnya apa? Other homework tonight. Next, other interesting aspect of text topic training in recent years has been the new font used by professional teams. Di sini ada kata other interesting aspect of bla bla bla. Kalau ada kata of, noun atau subjek yang sebenarnya ada sebelum kata of, maka aspect, singular noun, bukan other, harusnya another interesting aspect of. Next question. Pittsburgh has reduced its smoke by requiring more complete oxidation of fuel in cars, and other cities can do the same thing. Others cities. Remember, kalau ada noun-nya, maka other di sini determiner ya, nggak boleh dikasih s. Other cities. The last one. One another surprising method of forest conservation is controlled cutting of trees. Nah, di sini ada kata surprising method of forest. Ingat ya, kalau ada of, maka subjek yang sebenarnya adalah kata sebelum of, yaitu method, singular noun. Benar pakai another? Benar, tapi tidak perlu kata one. Redundancy, sia-sia ya, double. Jadi harusnya another surprising method of. Okay, we've done with TOEFL questions. This is the end of the lesson. You'll have vocabulary on the next slide. Okay, so see you on another video. Bye.